Oh my gosh, look at what store I found on Hollywood Boulevard. While I was walking around checking out the stars and everything, I ran into the Funko store and I had to go in. I had to see the Funko Pops, the giant ones that I've seen other people visiting. And they were spectacular. I really had a nice visit in there seeing these Funko Pops. And so at the end, I decided why not make my very own Funko Pop. So there was a machine there where you could go in, you could put in your hair color, your glasses, skin tone, your clothing. You could add stuff. So what did I do? I had to make me a Yammi. So I have a Yammi now, and with my collection, but these Funko Pops were amazing. Well, I hope you enjoy these Funko Pops, and you'll see mine at the end. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that. It was a really fun time. Don't forget, here comes my Funko Pop that I made, and it's adorable. All right, guys, if I haven't told you lately, thank you for being here, and I love you all. And there I am, Yammi in a box.